we're going to be exploring issues such as the history of the Qur'an, the history of how it was revealed, the history of its transmission, the transmission of its text, its oral transmission, both of them. I'm sure many people recently heard about the Birmingham manuscript, right? What does this manuscript and other kind of physical evidence tell us? How can it help us or not help us in our understanding of the Qur'an? Where as Muslims do we stand regarding our attitude to the Qur'an? Is it simply a blind faith? All right, I believe the Qur'an is the word of God and it has been transmitted accurately across the generations, or is there actually some way we can substantiate and back up that belief with evidence and with reasoning? We also look at issues like abrogation. Is it true that some verses of the Qur'an were abrogated? Mansukh. And if so, how do we understand this? How should the Qur'an be interpreted? What are the boundaries for valid interpretation and invalid interpretation? In what sense is the Qur'an a miracle? How can we understand this? So these are the sort of issues we're going to be exploring, and I hope you'll be able to join us.